apparently.
I think they should all be like this.
I know.
Great.
We're heading over there today to get on the monorail and do our Monorail Bar Crawl. So this will be an interesting thing. We've never done it before. We're really excited. We'll let you know how this all goes. Okay, slight change of plans.
Yeah, none of the bars open till like 3, so we're down at Disney Springs
For lunch. Okay, we ended up at CityWorks Eatery and Pour House. I got the peach cooler.
Yep.
Brandon got a Miller Lite.
Yep, switching it up, I know.
Switching it up, being so original. And what did you order? Popcorn chicken?
Popcorn chicken and pretzel bites.
And pretzel bites, and I got mac and cheese. See how it is? Alright, we got the pretzel bites as an appetizer.
They're good.
Okay, so this is the cheddar, the smoked cheddar mac and cheese, and Brandon got the popcorn chicken, which is tossed in some stuff.
Yeah, I don't remember what. But...
Yeah, and then some ranch on the side, but mine has bacon and chicken in it.
So I see chicken in there too.
Yeah, and it's huge. Look how big it is. Look at it compared to Brandon's meal. He's gonna help me. Lunch was very good.
Yeah, highly recommend CityWorks. It was delicious.
It was very, very good. I had one drink and I am now tipsy. So we're walking that off. Neither of us brought sunglasses because we weren't anticipating being outside today. We were gonna be in bars all day.
It's okay, there's a sunglass on down there.
Brandon's literally wearing pants. So, and it's humid today for the first time in our entire trip. I'm in the Christmas store. I could stay here forever. They have so many nice new ornaments from the last time we came in September. I'm gonna show you guys my favorite one though. These are my favorite right now. So this is Tower of Terror. So cool. And then up here, there's Haunted Mansion. So cute. And then they have the cinema. There's the man.
I made it.
These are some of the Junie and Burks. This is all Alice in Wonderland. I love this one. I'm obsessed with this print. It's so cool. And they have this one, the Mickey Mouse print. And then they have the 50th print over here with the crazy ears. They are so expensive. That's cool. We are headed to the Poly to start our bar crawl now.
Here we go. We're gonna try this again. Round 2.
Ohana is open and Trader Sam's opens at 3. So we should be good by the time we get there. They should both be open and we will kick this shindig off. All right, we made it to the Polynesian.
We are here. The first stop of this bar crawl.
We're gonna get a drink at Ohana first and then go downstairs to Trader Sam's.
Yep. We're gonna get the Lapu Lapu, I think you said.
I think it's called the Lapu Lapu. I think it's the pineapple drink.
Don't quote us on it.
No. We will correct ourselves if we're wrong.
Yeah.
Alright, here it is. It is called the Lapu Lapu. We got it just a split and it's full of rum.
Yeah.
And these are all their offerings. There's a ton. Tons and tons and tons. Alright, we got the pina colada.
Yeah, because they usually...
Delicious. Alright, we are at Trader Sam's. How long did it take to get in? About an hour?
Just over an hour.
Just over an hour to get in. You have to come down and put your name on the list, which we didn't know. The bartender at Ohana told us to come down. And it was about an hour wait, so just as a heads up.
You try. That's all that matters. Save for effort there.
We must offer up this sacrificial beverage in her name. Spare our crops and livestock, Oa. She is a very vain tingy. She demands that we chant her name. Chant it with us, everybody. Oa, 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 light the sacrificial flames. Now, pinch the powder, toss it into the flames, sacrifice to a Oa. Oh, you're not doing it right, it's still raining. Speak to us! Accept the sacrifice! Everybody okay, Skipper? Are you okay? Everybody okay over there? You guys okay?
That was a close one.
Do not order another one. We'll get locusts and blood rain. Has a foot pedal like a barber seat. So you press the pedal.
Yeah, I don't know what his name is. Okay, wait, here you go. Here you go. Ready?
Hang on, let me turn it off video.
Yeah, just keep doing that. One more time.
Oh, one more, you said.
I don't know. I think you're stuck.
Oh no, the storm! The storm is not started.
Brandon's seat randomly just sank.
Sorry. I'll just have to reach for my drink. I can't figure it out.
Brandon, tell them about your chair.
Well, I was sitting here talking, and all of a sudden I just sank to the floor.
Very slowly.
And then the bartender's telling me, no, it's on the right-hand side. I'm looking under my chair. It's not there. I'm looking on the other side. He goes, no, it's the other side. And he's got me spinning around.
Now you're sitting
And now I'm just sitting on the floor,
way
I guess.
down there.
He gave me a high chair in case I wanted to sit higher up. Kaylee didn't make it. We made it through the Polynesian, and now we're going back to the resort. She's too drunk. Don't lie to do it.
I'm not lying, I didn't say a word.
Please stand clear of the door.
It's hailing. It's 90 degrees outside, and there's a light rain.
It's still hail when it's 90 degrees. It's not a light rain. All right, everyone, so sorry to abruptly end this vlog. It is the next day, and I wanted to take a minute to fully explain what had happened
yesterday and why we did not do the full monorail crawl. We had full intentions to do it, and we simply went to Polynesian, we went to Ohana, then we went downstairs to Trader Sam's, which was an amazing experience. We absolutely loved it in there. Brandon could have spent all night in there. Our bartender was amazing. He was from New Hampshire, so that was really cool to have somebody from New England serving us and like chit-chatting with us, and they were just hilarious in there. It was a great atmosphere. But I was a bit too drunk and our drinks were really sugary, which a lot of them here are, because they're all like specialty cocktails and they're cool cocktails, but they have a lot of sugar in them. And I just knew when we left Trader Sam's, I was like, I just don't think it's a good idea for me to keep going. I knew we had Epcot today, and I was like, this is not good. And so Brandon was like, do you want to just go back? And I was like, yep. And so we came back, we ordered pizza, and we watched TV in bed, and we went to bed early so that we could be up today. And I have to say, I think it was the best call. But I highly recommend the drinks that we got at Ohana and Trader Sam's if you guys go there. And if you go to Trader Sam's, make sure you go about an hour to 2 hours beforehand to put your name on the list, because it is always busy in there and it's not very big. They do have a terrace outside by the pool. It wasn't the same at all. I was thinking that it'd have a similar atmosphere. It doesn't. The bar is like the really cool atmosphere. So if you're interested in that, definitely get there ahead of time and put your name down. But that is it for today's vlog. So sorry if this was like not a great video. I don't even remember all the footage I got, so we will have to see how long of a video it is. So sorry. We were really excited about that, but I just couldn't hang. But anyway, I'm about to get started on our Epcot vlog for today. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching, and that should be up shortly, if not already. Thank you all so much. If you like our channel, make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you all in the next one. Bye.